Alright, the Zippo truck came by today and dropped off a little package. Let's see what he brought. So this one came in the normal Zippo plain old black box, and it's simply labeled as Spider. And of course this was made in Bradford, PA, USA. Now this one is on a high polish finish, and it is the Spider. Kind of has some red stuff on it. I think in some catalogs it says Red Spider. And this one was made in, looks like I of 14, which is September of 14. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Got that great Zippo sound, and that is the Spider by Zippo. And we're going to let him rest right over here for a while. And yep, he deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.